we do love what we do, both of us. And Royal LePage is a very old company. It's been across Canada and it's been in existence since 1913. So we're proud to be Royal LePage agents. And, I think loving what you do is very important. I loved what I did before. I was at St. Clement's School and had the good fortune to be head of the junior school, as well as a teacher before that. And I have always loved what I do. And this is an extension of that. And really, real estate is a people job. It's all about people and how important it is to have good, relations and understand and be a good listener too. That's a very important part. It certainly was at the school, and it is in real estate. I feel that my purpose is to continue to be part of a community that cares. And Nancy knows that because she's living here now in our community in Picton and the county. And it is a caring community, and it's a very wonderful spot, as was St. Clement's School, a very caring community. So it's an extension of that for me. And I really like to try to help clients transition to different locations or different states through different stages of their lives, and to be there for them at every step of the way. It's all about people putting a lot of trust in you. And when you're selling their most expensive asset, it's very important that there's a lot of trust. So I feel very honored to be able to, to be in the role that I'm in. And I am looking forward, and I feel very honored to work with Rosa because we're kind of the same in lots of ways.
And same thing.
Yeah, we have the same purpose. We do well.
Same
together.
values.
Same
well.
values. Yeah. And I am looking forward to hearing the amazing speakers. So over to Rosa. Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you, Libby. And yeah, likewise, it is such an honor to work with Libby. We partner on various projects. She's with Royal LePage Pro Alliance in Picton. I'm with Royal LePage Signature out of the Greater Toronto area. I work both in Greater Toronto and in Prince Edward County. We work together on both commercial and residential projects. My background is I'm a CPA, but being a controller of a company after a while for me got rather boring. And so I finally gave in after being totally addicted to real estate since my early 20s and got my license about 10 years ago. And my purpose is to care for my family and to serve the needs of our clients, both in commercial and residential real estate. That includes businesses. We are both extremely proud to work with Royal LePage. I'm also part of Royal LePage Commercial, which is the largest commercial realty brokerage in Canada. We thank you so much for
asking us
to be part of this, and we're proud to be sponsors. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you. We're all in this together. Collaboration with a big C.